So guys, I will show you a platform that will enable you to earn about 20,000 naira per day when you're serious, if you're serious about this update. Now let's dive right into this platform. Sorry I've not been consistent on this my channel, and I'll try my best to bring you guys more updates on this. So guys, this is the platform I'm telling you about, nigeriapask.com. nigeriapask.com. So if you are signing up, I'll post a link in my comment section for you to be able to register. So when you click on that link, it will take you directly to this place where you have to put your Gmail at first. You have to put your Gmail first. Just the type of first word, then you see this at Gmail there. The next thing to do is to put any random number as your national identity card. Any number, just put any number. So after that, you put your phone number in order for you to receive your verification code. Remember, the second box there, put any random number. You don't have to put your real national identity card number. Put any random number there for you to be able to go. Then you put your number for you to be able to receive the identity code. So this verification code will come anytime from now. Here it is. Yes, it's nice. 9641. So what you have to do is to put the 9641 over there. Then you enter your password. So once you have done entering your password, you enter the code there, then you register. Registration successful. You see, so it said Project Hope. I think it's a platform to alleviate poverty in Nigeria, probably. I don't know. So I just have to log in right now. Okay, so let's go. Accept. Now, this is the platform, Nigeria Poverty Alleviation. See, so once you log into this platform, the first thing you do, remember guys, is to sign in. You sign in to receive your signing bonus. They give me 150,000 points, worth 15k as my referral bonus, and the minimum withdrawal for this site is 20,000 naira. So you have to make an extra 5k for you to be able to withdraw. So you see, I signed in guys just now, and I got 200 naira. It's a Nigeria platform, so you sign in every day to get 200 naira. You sign in for 5 days consecutively to get 500. You sign in for 10 consecutive days to get 1,000 naira. So if you are in this app for 10 days, you'll be able to get 1,000 naira. All you have to do is just to refer your friends in order for them to join, and you'll be getting your first withdrawals on this platform. That is it, guys. That is this platform for you. So you have to just come in every day, sign in, or you refer your friends, and you are good to go. That is the platform. Remember, just sign in. I'll drop the link in the description box in the comment section below for you to be able to register. If you do not register with anybody's referral link, you will not be able to get that 15,000 naira referral bonus. So remember, if you refer somebody, you get 500 naira. So ask me a question in the comment section, and we'll make money together. In order to withdraw, this is how to withdraw. You have to put your bank. I think it's Open and PalmPay. You have to put your bank and your full name and your bank account, and you're good to go. Chat me in the comment section, ask me your questions, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.